Be blessed by the divine. Kundalini Diet. What is the diet that you need to follow if you want to become a Kundalini yogi? Well, there is actually no strict diet that can be recommended for a Kundalini yogi. However, having said that, if you wish to succeed as a Kundalini meditator, then it is best that you follow a sattvic diet or a naturopathy yogic diet. You can visit naturopathyoga.org, which is maintained by Dr. Achyutan Ishwa, and you should be able to get complete details of what this diet really means to you. Having said that, in this video, let me walk you through the basic system, not an advanced details, but a basic system of naturopathic yogic food that will help you to follow a Kundalini diet. First and foremost, if you analyze your digestive system, it is not like a washing machine. It doesn't have a tumbler, it doesn't tumble, it doesn't mix your food with a motor in your stomach. It is a long pipe, and the first food that we put in gets digested first. So it follows what an inventory control man would call in the engineering industry as a FIFO system, first in, first out system. So therefore, what we can digest easily should be put in first. What then digest a little later or a little longer should be put in next. Whichever takes the longest should be put in last. If you don't follow the system, then if you, for instance, eat high cholesterol content or high sugar content or heavy food that you put inside in the beginning, supposing it's going to take 3 hours for you to digest, and then at the end of it you put fruits on top, then the fruits will take 3 hours for it to start digestion, and by then the fruit would become a waste, and therefore it could become poison or toxin in your body, and your bloodstream will start to attract that poison or toxin, and therefore the blood will become toxin, and eventually your body will be filled with toxin, which will then lead to pain and disease and eventually death. And therefore the first thing we need to do is eat food that is easy for you to digest, namely fruits. If you analyze where we have inherited our digestive system from, it is easy for us to conclude that we have the stomach of that of a monkey. So therefore, what does a monkey eat? Monkeys eat fruits and nuts. What should we human beings should eat? Fruits and nuts. But what do we eat? Everything other than fruits and nuts. We eat everything and anything that we see and anything that we can touch, anything that is presented to us, we like to eat. And that is where the problem is. You cannot succeed as a Kundalini yogi, Kundalini meditator, if you don't follow a reasonably disciplined dietary mechanism. Why is that so? If you eat a lot of sattvic food that is easy for your system to digest, the food that contains a lot of nutrition, the food that contains minimal wastage, the food that is rich with vitamins and minerals, the food that is nature cooked, the food that is not preserved for long in an artificial man-made environment but in a natural environment, then you will find when you follow these natural mechanisms, your body is healthy, and if you don't, you will fall sick very often. When your body falls sick, your blood circulation, air circulation, heat circulation are blocked. When one of these circulation is blocked, then your life energy rushes to that part of the body to correct itself. Body is a self-diagnostic, self-healing system. And in the process of accumulation of life energy particles in any portion of your body, there is short circuit. The short circuit leads to pain. continual pain in the same part of the body over a long period of time, it leads to absence of ease, dis-ease. Continuation of disease completely eliminates the biomagnetic energy from the body, and complete exhaustion leads to death. How can you succeed in your life as a Kundalini meditator when you don't streamline your diet? Do visit naturopathyoga.org and learn to streamline your diet system. There are tons of information and materials that are available on that website, and I highly recommend that you follow the system. Not only you will be able to streamline your weight, but you will also be able to streamline your health. You will be able to streamline preventing of any of the diseases in your life and succeed in building a beautiful foundation for you to meditate and succeed as a Kundalini yogi or a Kundalini meditator. You will certainly live with good health, long life, enough wealth, peace, prosperity, fame, and wisdom. Be blessed by the divine.